Morning, guys. We are packing for Nambour. It's set up. This is the ute. This is Dan's ute over there. Dan's, me and Dan are driving up. Scooby's getting the train up. He's better on trains. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the stuff. We've got this really cool old, what, tools, I guess. They farming tools and shit. Look at this board. It's over 100 years old, this. Apparently it's for putting in the trees and you can stand up it. This is cool. Look at this broad fucking thing. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I think this is Plumb. See the Plumb sign there? That's Plumb. That is a beast. The handle's not real good, but I mean, they're original bloody handles. This is just a little blade on that fucking thing. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. Pretty cool, eh? And how's that for a friggin' hook, man? That's catching Jaws, the great white shark. Look at that. That's a beast. Then we got these big bastards. Look at this. Sharp as shit too, I might add. And this was interesting. It's a bamboo. Look at that. You see that? It's riveted there. So this is all stuff we're taking up to Nambour. Have I got that the right way? Probably not. That's it. There's another one. This is it's got a brand on it. So we looked these up on eBay, and this sort of size. Look at the size of it. You know, it's tall. It's over 4 foot. See that there? Durston or something like that. Yeah, not Craig Durston. Hey. And we got some small dicks. F Dick. These are files, vintage files.
I've got a bigger dick.
Yeah, Scooby's got a big dick at home, but he's left that at home where it fucking belongs. This is AJ wheels. These are sharp. Imagine that. It's like a weapon, isn't it, Dan? Hey, you could do some damage with that. Now these here are interesting. Like, I didn't know what the hell they were. So these were what they would have used back in the old days for like doing high rises and stuff. So that pin there is to go in through, like when you're trying to line up your girders and stuff. So you can line it up to put the screw in it, and then you can tighten it up with this. They're pretty cool, eh? Made in England. There's 3 of them. This here's beauty too. Look at this baby. This one is a Kelly axe, and it's got a name for it there. I've forgotten the name of it. But I was looking these up, and man, you know, like these ones, that one's selling for about 200, 250. This one's 100. This is about 250. You know, mate, we're gonna do cheaper than that, of course, but I'd say probably 600 the lot we should get out of that. At a guess, I'm just guessing. There's a couple of tubs around here. This is from Scooby's lot. I'm not going to unpack it all, but you can get a look. Is that your jacket to wear, is it?
No, it's just
He's having a rum already. Oh, Caltex, yeah. The gumball machine, ashtrays. This is pretty. A fish. I don't know what that is. What's that?
copper.
There's an old record player there. Oh, that's a big fucking paperweight, that is. Look at that.
Lego.
Oh, God, Lego. Ball break or shit. So, we're not going to go through it all because we got too much to do. That's cool. What's that?
Money bar.
Yeah. Hey, we've got a couple of pieces of this, haven't we?
Yeah.
That white glass stuff.
Nintendo Wii console.
Oh, yeah, we got some coloured Nintendo Wiis, and we're not taking a lot of games up this week, are we? You know, like we do.
I'm not doing my games this time.
No, we're not doing the games this time. He doesn't like staying at the store that much, and when he's not at the store, I just sell it and keep his fucking money, so he gets annoyed with that. Don't know why. And there's some other tools and stuff here. So basically, we got all these tools off one of our mates, you know, who we do deals with and stuff. Shout out to Kevin. Kevin, we got an old metal detector here. This is America White's Electronics. It takes batteries. It's what else we got? Scooby's not for sale. That's my rum can. Some vintage microphones. Bananas I got from Don the other day. Thanks, Dom. I haven't hung them out yet. So we're going to pack this. It's going to have the stock. And then we've got heaps of clothes. That car there is chocolate blocks with T-shirts and shit. And I got more in there too. All the tables and that's going to go on the ute. Stock will go in here. It's not going to rain. So that's cool. So we're getting it together. But we're units. So it takes us a while to do anything. So, yeah, that's just a little bit. We'll do another couple more as we pack more today. But today's Thursday. We'll leave Friday morning to go up there. And Saturday, Collectorama, man, be up there because we'll be selling shit cheap. It's all the money to get towards our van. And, we're on it, aren't we? Well,
I'm still supervising.
he's still supervising. Scooby just walks around in circles.
Motivational support.
Yeah, he's motivational support, yeah. Yeah, I should be getting sponsored for him being with me. But anyway, bit of NDIS sponsorship would be good. And I've caught autism from him. But people say you can't catch it, but I have. All right, so see you on the next things, ladies. All. G'day, bye.